Hi, my name is Boris Altman. Today we're going to be doing a repair test at 2400 Young Road. We're with National Reliance Group. The repair test is for Mr. Jurado. Today is January 14th. The temperature is 51 degrees. So it's ideal conditions to do the repair. As you can see, this is the crease damage shingle that was paid for in the repairs. I did take before pictures, and then as Heath kind of walks up and sits down here, you'll be able to see there's no imperfections on the shingles above. And so we're going to be doing that repair test on these shingles. I'm going to go ahead and unseal. This one's already unsealed. This is already unsealed. Go ahead and unseal the tabs above it. It's the end of the shingle. I'm going to be using a snake tool. The snake tool allows me to lift the shingle up about 2 inches. I'll use that as the crowbar to unseal the shingle, and then I'll demonstrate what that lift looks like when I'm actually nailing it in. Instead of having to go underneath the shingle in order to access the nail, I only actually have to lift it up about this high, which is about 20 degrees. Minimal lift. If the shingle's repairable, it should allow me to be able to do that repair. Alright, so since this is a simulated repair, as if I had a brand new shingle, take the old shingle out, put the new shingle in, slide it back in, line it up, make sure that it's lined up properly with the proper exposure. But with the snake tool, like I mentioned before, it's a minimal lift, allowing me to limit the manipulation of the shingle. I'll go ahead and begin the repair. First row is done. Last nail. Now that the repair is complete, I guess this nail didn't go in properly. Perfect. So now that the repair is complete, look at the condition of the shingles surrounding it. We're gonna go ahead and take the camera, keeping the camera still on site. As you can see, this is the damaged shingle that we had originally. With that repair, now we're creasing on pretty much every tab that's directly above it, making this repair a fail, even while using the minimal lifting tool, the snake tool. With this repair, you can't do this repair without damaging additional shingles. Took before pictures, showed up the close-up before the video, when the video first started, before the repair started, as well as a close-up after, and I'll have after photos as well.